Kahit wala siya dito, maingay pa din yung bahay. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, mag-unboxing tayo ng binili ni Kuya. Ito ay Pokemon cards. Kuma-open. Wala akong alam sa mga ganito eh. Oh! Hindi mo pinakita! Oo. So may laman siya. Meron siya dito sa gitna. Tapos meron nakalagay dito. Card tapos ano to? Lain natin. Pagkalo-kaloin na natin yan. So meron siyang, so may 9 siya na ganito na cards.
Isa lang pala. Isa. Ipakita mo sa kanila yung ano.
So yan, isa. Tapos ito?
Yeah. Tapos mag-alis ka ng ano sa mga
Harap. Ano to? Double stab. Larvator. Tapos next. Ilang cards siya nasa loob? Next. Bind. Alam, cute. Next. Alay, ito yung nakikita ko. Pag kumikinang. 1, 2, 3 down. Quack. Wow. Kuya. Next one. Ay, dalawa yan. Next one. Keep, keep. Search. Pag naka-Japanese kuya, 80 cent. Ay, oo, 80 cent.
Uy!
Ano yung uy? Magkano yan?
$8.99.
Slay! Nasortehan.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me.
Silyadong silyado.
Time given to me. Paint my life into a masterpiece. Coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
So ngayon, we're gonna get ready to leave. We're gonna get ready to leave dahil anong oras na? 1:23. Meron akong appointment sa mata around 2:30. So, I need to leave around 1:30. So, hindi pa ka nakakabihis. So, bihis muna ako and then go na. Simple lang yung susuotin natin kasi I'm sure na saglit lang ako doon. So, I'm going to wear this. This one has been with me since 2018 and nawalan siya ng battery. Kaya hindi ko siya nagagamit all the time before. So ngayon, since naayos na siya, naayos siya ni Mama, I'm gonna use it. Binili namin to sa Furman's. It's been a long time since I went there. It's really nice. Really fashionable. I really like it. I really hope I can vlog sa doctor's appointment ko. Doctor's appointment? Doctor appointment. Huh? I really hope na makapag-video ako doon sa loob. Kasi, I wanna share this vlog with you guys. Ito sapatos ko. Gusto kong isuot to. Kaso, sobrang wasting ng time. So, mag-Vans na lang tayo. I have so many options of shoes. Ito, sa akin yan, sa akin yan, sa akin yan, sa akin yan, sa akin yan.
That I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Never lie. I stay in my hide. Let the world follow behind. I know it's all how I make my mind. I'm the one who gets.
Update. I still have my contacts in, pero babaguhin nila yung prescription ng left eye ko. My left eye has been bothering me using the contacts. Ngayon, like, kapag dalawang mata yung gamit ko, kasi magkaiba ng prescription kasi yung left tsaka right. So, if I close this eye, okay naman siya, pero feel ko like malabo siya ng konti. Like, hindi siya yung okay talaga like sa right eye ko. So, they're gonna order some contact lenses for me to use, and then another week na naman papapuntahin na naman ako. And I don't know if I'm gonna visit the boba place, but I'll try. Sama ko kayo kapag bumisita ko sa boba place. Guys, look kung saan ako dinala ng aking sasakyan. Ross. I was planning to go home na. Ewan ko kung may pasok yung dad ko kasi gagamitin niya ata yung car ko. Pero I'm here at Ross and I don't even know if I'm gonna buy something here. Hindi ako pupunta ng bubble. Yung kotse ko. Should I park here? Ayun. Sarapan ko lang pala. Ang labig. Ini lang. Mas pinili kong bilhin yung dress kaysa bumili ng boba. Hindi, binili ko siya talaga kasi it's really nice and it really fits on me. The thing is, malaki yung tiyan ko be. Pero ayun, I'm glad I don't have any work right now. Kasi if I do, sinave niya lang ako sa pag-spend ng money. Pero yeah, I'm going home. Okay guys, I'm here sa school and naswertehan ko yung parkingan ko. Look, and dyan lang yung entrance. Dyan lang. I'm leaving. Papunta na ako sa optometric. And hindi nyo pa nakita siguro like yung background. Maybe you guys did. Just sa past vlogs ko. So, pipick up natin. Hopefully, hindi siya trials. Hindi niya sinabi kung monthly contacts siya or I have to do the trials again. Pabalik-balik ako dito, so you know, like I have things to do, so yeah, balitaan ko na kayo. I'm so excited. I'm so sorry. This is like literally my first time wearing contacts, and then I was just excited. So yeah. Okay guys, I picked them up and they gave me a new one. And ito yung pala yung contact lens ko. So, ganito lang kaliit yung nabili kong mas malaki ng konti. Mga ganito. Yung nabili kong solution. And, mali yung nabili ko. Dapat ganito siya. Kasi, this one never hurt my eyes. You know? And, it comes with a case. So, this one's very good. I don't need to go to Walmart. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Panda Express because I'm literally hungry. I haven't had my lunch yet. So we'll see. Guys, lumiit yung lalagyanan nila. Like, yan lalagyanan siya. So, daming serving. Tapos, ganito kalaki ang talagang ang sarap kakain na ako.
살았던 게